Bosley and Bill told me that a padlock like this cannot be picked with a chicken bone. This is me locking the container, putting it on. There you go. She's locked. All we need now is a chicken bone from the barbecue. Just getting it. Not a dry chicken bone, just any chicken bone. Just of a wing. And here we go to get the lock. Bill said he's at the room about it. But it's not a rumour. This is just a chicken bone. Chicken wing bone. This is not. I'm pulling the pins at the minute. I think. Run it. Oh, no, it's not that. It's too big that end. Yeah, it's not dry. You hear it? Come in. Oh. And that's opening the padlock. Wing bone. Wing bone. Wing bone. Wing bone.